Yeah, that's fine. Last minute, man. Last minute tag title match. Anyone, everyone, doesn't matter. And still, always and forever.
No sweat, no big deal, easy money. And then and still.
And still.
Let's go. Hey, hi.
This Stars Championship. Say about I'm ready for tonight.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Laredo kind of reminds me of Mexico.
Bro, cut that. You already got two. Two.
This is one
Just
cookie.
eat
It's 2-1.
Dude,
Bro, this is
we got a match tonight, bro.
okay, man.
You don't need to be eating two cookies and calling it one.
Nah, bro.
Bro,
Come on. This is
at
a
least
protein
wash
cookie.
it down with some cream, bro.
This is a protein cookie, bro. I gotta get my.
All right.
Yeah, come on. Look, we're in Laredo, Texas. We gonna get some good food.
Yeah.
I got an appetite for beat down.
Save it.
You know what I mean?
Save room for some tacos.
Yes, sir. Bro, you already know it. You already know it.
Not gonna be here. Talked all this shit just to not be here.
Look, I know you're super busy.
Give me a second.
Look, I know you're super busy and I'm sorry to interrupt you, but you know that I was never pinned for that title. I need that opportunity, and I know you're good at playing fair and square, so could I just have that championship rematch, please?
No, but with Zai?
Yeah, with Zai. She never pinned me. Come on, let's do this out. Give me that championship match, please.
You got it.
You got it? I got
You
it?
don't have an opponent, so you got it.
Awesome, thank you very much. Thank you.
See you tonight.
W presenta a Antonio Catina, champion OVW.
To face with one of the greats.
Okay.
With one of the greats.
You'll never beat me.
You'll never be me, Four Eyes. You got that, chump? All right, keep on playing my damn music.
Te dijo que cuatro ojos, güey, por si no le entiendes.
Hey, we're in America, Bubba. We're in America.
I'm translating, brother.
Oh, I don't care what you
Face
have to
to
do.
face with
You
one
go
of the
get your
greats.
fix back over there. You translate that. Translate that. Hey, no, screw you, man.
Got yourself a first class ticket to ass kicking city. You're nothing more than a dead sack, Cracker Jack. My skills, my body, I am Mr. All right, cut the music. Cut the music. Apparently the chumps that were supposed to come here and take on the sweetest tag team in all of Texas, baby, Cookies and Cream, we're getting a little scared to show up. They want to try to blame it on what was it? Queen the Cookies. We're talking, all right?
I got you. You see them boys from Laredo with scarred. See, because they ain't got no pride or honor in Laredo. They some chickens. They what you call yellow belly. Scared. Laredo, is that how you say it?
I call them pinto beans.
S-C-A-R-E-D. Because them boys can't hang. You see, it's Cookies and Cream. And they know that they ain't got an appetite like us. Ain't that right?
Damn straight. So, you know what? Here's what we're going to do. I'm a giving man, and I'm a man of the people.
Okay.
What we're going to do,
What? Tell me.
I'm here. I'm ready to go. Unlike those chumps back up
They
there.
ain't even show up. They scared. Tell Tuck.
I know Big J Bishop is ready to go too. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm the OVW, Ohio Valley Wrestling Media Champion. The very first media champion, the very first Ohio Valley Wrestling champion to step foot in the Texas Combat League. So, being the generous man that I am, I'm gonna issue an open challenge to any one of you chumps that wanna step in this ring and come face to face with an absolute great primetime Katina right here tonight. Title on the line, let's go.
Cream of the crop.
Come on, chump, let's go. Oh, who wants it?
They ain't gonna answer.
Shut up, Pinto Bean.
All right, TJ. Cut that. Take it easy. All right, yo, is this thing? Come on, man.
Broke the damn thing.
Yeah, he threw
Can't
it.
even do that right.
Check. There we go. First of all, Cantina, Bishop.
Whoa, hold on. Get that damn microphone. It's not Cantina, jackass. It's Katina. C-A-T-E-N-A. 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 Exactly, chump.
I know you from Laredo, so you a little too stupid.
All right, you see, you're right.
Yeah, I am right, chump. You know what? There's only three things that you could possibly be. You can either be stupid, you could be dumb, or you could be from Laredo, Texas. One of those three. I don't know which one, though.
I think he's all three.
All three, eh? Come on, y'all. Who y'all sabotaging this mic?
They too dumb.
Hey, come on.
Show people.
Yeah, it's the mic's people.
Here, you want?
All right, listen here, cat food. Oh, sorry, catnip, cantina, canned chicken. What is it, cantina? Cantina. First of all, y'all seem to forget really where we are. We're in Laredo, and we actually want to welcome you guys to Laredo. Actually, these are nice people, guys. We have a word for Cookies and Cream that I think they're gonna love. And on three, I want you all to say it. 1, 2, 3. Culeros. That means you're a bunch of gentlemen. You know, you're good gentlemen right here in Laredo. Yeah, you see? That's right. And I know you gentlemen are angry about DeMarcus and Omega not being able to make it.
I didn't know to know.
But y'all seem to forget one thing. I was on that team as well, and I showed up.
Oh, you did show up. Yeah,
And I
you know what,
smell
you're
an
damn
open challenge.
right. You're damn right.
Why you holding the microphone?
So guys, hey, come on, there we go. So guys, speaking of open challenges, what do we say? Do you want reality to shut these chumps up?
No, you better
Yeah?
shut your mouth up,
He
mama.
ain't even worth my time.
And same with you,
Hey, see,
Grandma.
there we go.
Ain't worth the time.
See, the people want it. I'm ready for a fight. Let's do it.
Okay, you know what? You know what? Clearly the people have spoken. Do you people want to see an OVW Man Media Championship match right here tonight, huh? Is that what you guys want to see? Huh? Yeah, you want to see Dill Dempsey finally get his shot? Wow, okay. You know what? Here's the only thing, though.
He gonna send you to the upper room.
Here's the only thing, Dill. Hey, lovers, here's the thing. I don't give a crap what these people want. All I care about is kicking your ass, whether that is tonight or some other time, whether it's in Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas.
Yeah, come on, chump. Huh? You want a challenge? Huh? Beat him. Yeah. Yeah, you see that right there? Play my damn music, chump.
That's how we do it right there. You see that, boy? Looking up. Lights flashing.
Yeah, baby.
Face
You ain't
to
getting me
face
nothing.
with
You ain't getting
one
me
of the
nothing.
greats.
I'm the media champion, and you'll never be. Right here, baby. Let me hear it. Huh? Screw all of you chumps.
Get your ass in, boy.
Got yourself a first class ticket to ass kicking scene.
Yeah, bitch.
You're nothing more than a dead sack, cracker jack.
This costs more than that ever could.
My skills.
Hey, that's the News Network, man. Hey, open up your bank account. Hey, look, you gotta take walk.
ATM sucks.
Take walk. Receiving hang on.
Face.
What you want, boy? Come on. What up, boy?